If you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high.
I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, and I can see power steering this. You can get it, you can.
So we made it to our room. I want to give y'all a quick little room tour. We're about to go spend some of these pesos, baby.
I got some damn bitches I can go.
Hey. Oh my gosh, but it's my birthday. Okay, y'all, so it is my birthday and we're about to pop a little bubbly to celebrate. And this morning, it's a beautiful day. And I'm excited.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. It's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough.
We just finished getting ready and now we're in the car. We're going to Monkeyland and we're going zip lining. So it's gonna be really fun. I'm excited. And we're about to get snacks. So we had champagne for breakfast and we need some snacks. We need some food. So we are about to do that and then I'll check back in with you guys in a minute. So we just got some snacks. Let me show y'all what I got. Some kind of water. Because we haven't had breakfast yet, so we was like, let's get some snacks. And I got
alcohol, like
pizza Pringles. Right, we had, again, champagne was like the breakfast for us. And then I got a banana nut muffin.
I got the same.
You got what?
We got the same. I'm eating something else. I got two.
What you eat?
Oh, those are good.
Mango?
And I got the chocolate chip.
Yes.
Chocolate.
And what is? Oh, blending. Okay.
Plátanos.
What you eating, Marty?
Not cheese. Or not cheeses, but what are these? The
Crackers? Cheese crackers. So yeah, y'all, we have to get some snacks to hold us over, but we up. It's the V-Day.
When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like them and them, you get plenty of groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Roll down, cheese up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Roll them trees up. If you watch how I move, you mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, now I walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, they tell you I'm local. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind. Got a meal out the deal and I'm still on the grind. Now shorty said she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girlfriend, what did they buy and they ready to go? Find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough.
So this boy here, he's George.
George.
He's the grandpa of the jungle here.
Oh, wow.
The big daddy.
How old is George?
George have around 40 years old now.
40.
Yeah. Wow. And she's Pikachu, remember? She's the girl from George.
Yeah.
They're together.
Oh, that George. Oh, they're
Just
together.
Nah. So George have to stay in the cave because they attack the people.
He attacks.
Only boys. He don't like to see boys. If a boy like to feel happy or try to play with him, yeah, it's a problem because
Yeah.
But if a girl go, nothing happens. He's a German. So George come from South Africa. He rescued. Let's get out of here. Hola, amigo. In this case, we have a Coco.
Coco?
Coco Loco.
Coco Loco.
He's the king here. He's the most aggressive monkey.
How old is he?
He have around 30 now.
30?
Yeah, he come from Costa Rica.
Look at his cute little arm.
Relax, man. Oh, Coco is a little bit bipolar because sometimes he's relaxed and sometimes he like to kill you. Ah, tranquilo, that's yours. Now he's crazy.
He's like, gimme.
He's a good boy. So this boy tried to take 5 iPhones before.
You try to take what?
5 iPhones.
All strapped up. Mariah's all strapped up. Now,
This is the
I
break.
gotta get strapped up. Do I need gloves? Yes. Oh, these are mine? Okay.
You did glow.
They're not gonna mess my nails up right there. Cause I can't even get it in there.
Ay, ay, ay.
Can you hold this real quick? So. I need big ones. Big hands. Grande. More grande. How you say hands again?
Manos.
Manos. Yeah. More grande.
Tiene no las uñas grandes.
Your nails are big.
That too. Thank you. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to stop recording, so I'm strapped, y'all.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club.
No. Okay. I'm going. Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit. Oh, I am scared.
Just close your eyes. Boom. It's all.
I just got back to the room. We stopped at the grocery store, as y'all seen. Like, I think that was like their Publix, like how we have Publix and Kroger and Ralph's and all of that stuff. I think that was like their Publix, and it was cute. So let me show you guys what we got from the store. We just grabbed a couple snacks and stuff that we can have in the room for the rest of the week. We got some chips. I've never had white cheese Lay's chips before, so we're gonna see what those are talking about. Mariah got me a birthday cake, y'all. How cute is this? It's supposed to be like tres leches cake, so that should be good. So we got some bagels. This is the cinnamon raisin bagels. Those are really good. We can toast those for breakfast. And we got some bacon for breakfast as well. And then we got some eggs for our breakfast. So we got some water as well so we can stay hydrated. Some pineapple and guava juice. Some pineapple cream cheese to go with our bagels. Some cheese to go with our eggs and some butter. So I'm about to put these groceries up and then I'm gonna take a shower and stuff and we're gonna get ready for the B-Day dinner. So I will see you guys in a little minute. so I just finished doing my makeup and getting dressed. I have this cute little dress on, some heels. So we're about to go to dinner. I need to put my lip gloss on, but we're about to go to dinner and we're running a little bit behind, so we're in a little bit of a rush. But I'm gonna check back in with you guys once we actually get to the restaurant.
It's your fucking birthday.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Cumpleaños, cumpleaños. Feliz cumpleaños. Sorry. Feliz cumpleaños a ti, MG.
Ocean views, small circle, it's a chosen few. I roll it down and I follow through. I bought a pound and we rolled the few. I talk shit, but she know it's true. Ocean views, small circle, it's a chosen few. I roll it down and I follow through. I bought a pound and we rolled the few. I talk shit, but she know it's true. Blessings. Bitches in my section. Yo, with all this money, I'm obsessive. Weapons. Turning off y'all extras. Turning off this bullshit direction. Turning up my grind. Waking up to more pressure. But it's all in your mind. So I never feel pressure. Know it's all in due time. Now let it stack it like Tetris. Hustle hard is my message. Then double back and get extras. Know I spaz when I catch it. Yellow bone, white Lexus. All black tan, 2 white cups, fat gold chain, Sprite Texas. I'm just young and I'm reckless. I'm just on for my section. I'm just out here on top speed with my top down and I'm revving. I don't know about heaven. All I know is about right now, and this lifestyle is interesting. Ice down in my session, I just write down his confessions. Niggas died and got life around me, I guess that I'm an exception. Ocean views, small circle, it's a chosen few. I wrote it down and I follow through. I bought a pound and we rolled the fuel. I talk shit, but she
So we just got back to the room and we went to the fruit stand and we got some fruit.
This is a sweet passion fruit.
Ooh. I've never tried it before, but you've had it, right?
It's delicious.
Okay, she says it's delicious.
You had
so
passion
we're
fruit
about to-
before?
I don't think so.
Okay. With maybe a passion fruit drink?
Possibly, yeah. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, it smells so good.
Mm-hmm. So you're just gonna like reach in, pluck, like. It tastes like regular passion fruit though.
Not the,
No, because it's like sour, not sweet.
what's the other one called again?
It's just passion fruit with sweet passion fruit.
Okay, I'm about to taste it, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna just.
So nervous. Oh. Wow. Do you swallow the seeds?
Uh-huh.
Oh. I thought I was gonna have to spit them out. Okay.
Does it bother you?
I'm gonna try to swallow next time. I like that.
Yeah.
Out of the picture, yeah. Made in my vision, yeah. Inspired the difference, yeah. Me, I'm never acting shady. You will always be my baby. You be my baby, yeah. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no lie. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
I'ma get your hands up, cold ass. I can expire in the summertime. He gon' keep the bills paid, cause he know a bitch fine. Bitches always in my bed, JC.
Me and Mariah are at the beach now. We got our coconuts. I don't know if you can see it right there. Yes, our Coco Locos. They're so good. And we're about to chill. It's a vibe. Y'all know it's a vibe.
Young girl, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick of thick herbs. Young girl, no one that they working my nerves. I'm out the pour some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in it big with P. Litty. QP skin. I love my bitches, this pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Givers my only decision. Young girl, no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick of thick purge.
Hi you guys, good morning. So it is 7 o'clock in the morning. It's also, I believe, day 5, and we just got up. It is like 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're up so early because we're going like cave waterfall diving, and I am so excited. We're going to be hiking and jumping in like different caves and water and stuff like that. So I've never done this before, so I'm super excited to see what it's like. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to bring my camera because it's gonna be like so much going on. But I'm gonna try to get as much footage as possible. Let me show you guys my swimsuit. It looks so cute. Doors, little 3-piece, top, and the bottoms, and the skirt.
I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a rap. I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do. I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map.
So we just jumped from this thing all the way up there. Now we're in this cave area. So pretty.
Tell 'em it's a rap. Man, I'm tryna hit the A. Don't hit me up in WID me, baby. Send a boy a PIC and see me, baby. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. Okay, now we talking. When we talk, you gotta listen, I don't wanna go missing, I.
Oh my goodness, you guys. This food smells really good. So I have some salad with some salsa vinaigrette, some chicken and fries. I wanted to try their beans and rice. We about to smash.
Need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be. But deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group.
So y'all, we are back at the room and The waterfall experience was really beautiful. It was very crazy. I tried to get a little bit of footage, but because so much was going on and I'm literally jumping into water, like I was kind of limited on what I could film and show you guys, but I can't believe I did that. It was really a cool experience. It's crazy how high the jump was, and then it was slides on top of that. Whew. What a time. So glad I made it out. They also fed us some food towards the end. That was pretty decent as well. But yes, you guys, we're about to get ready to go back to the beach because we really like being at the beach. And the sun and everything feels really good outside. So hopefully we could find some coconuts. Yeah, we're just gonna be out there chilling for a little bit until we probably go to dinner tonight. Guys, this food is so good. Fish and plantain and some meat. It's so good, y'all. I'm tearing this up. I have another side over here though. And they squeeze some lime on it. So good. Right, something to it. Shrimp tempura, spring rolls, the chili shrimp. What's this one?
A bao, chicken bao.
Oh, bao. Okay, and then
Crab.
king crab. What's it called? Hey you guys, so it is the next morning. This is our last full day here and I'm sad, but we've had such a good time. Y'all seen last night we went to that little club or whatever. Kind of want to sit y'all down. And it was an interesting experience to say the least. Yeah, we were out pretty late. When we got home, we burned a little bit and then passed out. So we're starting the morning off with some mimosas, Cheers, girl. Cheers. I'm like, I wish I could see it. Cheers. We are about to be lit for this last day, okay? We're about to take some shots. This is our last day here, so we are ready to stay lit, you know? Like, we've been lit, we still lit. Okay, let's see if I can pour this in here. Oh, bet I did that. Oh shit, I missed. Okay. I did that, Pooh.
Salud.
Salud.
There's a clink. Wow.
Okay, so we decided that we're gonna take another shot because that was good. I think we did that. And the guava juice really helps with the chaser, so. Aquí.
Oh, mierda. Man.
Don't play with it. Okay.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Nah, I'm just gonna have us fucked up today.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I couldn't finish that one. We both drank like the same amount. Okay, we're taking the second part of our shots.
Cheers.
Salud.
Salud. You're not even in the camera though.
It's okay.
Numero tres. Salud.
Okay, so me and Mariah are about to, I think we're going to Sosua, so we're gonna go outside, have some drinks, and enjoy ourselves to the fullest possible, right? For our last day, we celebrating, it's lit. So I will see you guys when we're outside.
Quanto depois? Veio? Tem que check. Cancel la vanne après.
So after we left the restaurant, we came back to the room and I passed out for a little bit. But I'm up and I'm back. We are about to play a little game before we head to the lounge. And the game is called Truth or Drink Extra Dirty.
When you match someone through a dating app, do you look them up on social media before meeting them?
I've never been on a dating app before, so
Okay.
no.
Well, that was. Okay.
No. I don't know why I'd be like so weird about dating apps.
I mean, rightfully so.
I just feel like I don't want to meet my person on there. Like, I want it to be organic.
I feel like I've genuinely met people and like friend zoned them. And it was like the biggest surprise of their life, but like it worked out.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you've been on a dating app before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I literally put in like, you know, like I'm like, I've done it like when I've just moved somewhere and it's just me and I don't know anyone.
Okay.
So it's not like to like meet my person because that's also like kind of cringy.
Just meeting people. Meeting a person is kind of cringy.
I mean, on a app.
Oh yeah.
But then I'm like, damn, I just kind of like realized I met my baby daddy through an app.
Oh, but that's not a dating app.
Nah, like we had matched and then I guess he looked me up.
Oh.
So damn.
What app was it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's crazy.
I've known a few people that met on there and they're married now.
No, I do too. I do too. So no shame in it, but.
Right. Where is the oddest, most uncomfortable place you've ever grown a pimple? These fucking questions.
Probably the inside of my nose.
Wow.
Yeah.
How did you see
like,
it?
It was like right here. I felt it and then I was like.
It hurt?
Yeah, that bitch was like.
It's such an awkward place.
Yeah.
The
It's
inside.
so sensitive.
Right?
That shit really hurt. I don't even. Yeah, that's crazy.
That is really sensitive.
Have you ever laughed so hard during sex that you couldn't continue? What was so funny? That's a good one.
I don't think so. No, I have not laughed so hard during sex. Nah, that's crazy. I don't be thinking shit funny.
So hard you couldn't continue?
Right.
Like, that's awkward.
Extreme. Exactly. Like, what could have happened?
So this is like awkward because it's just us here.
Oh no.
If someone here masturbated while thinking of you, would you care? Would you want to know? This must be like a group game because like
no, I would not care. And what was the other question?
What do you want to know?
Oh no, I would not care. And no, I don't want to know.
Okay, let's extend it to like the building. Like if you found out that someone downstairs, yeah, like if you found out like
my answer would remain the same. I don't want to know.
What's the most inappropriate photo you have on your phone? Describe it in detail.
I mean, the most inappropriate to me will probably be like, I have a photo of my like kitty cat. And it was like dripping wet, like literally like dripping. What do you, it said describe it.
You said it was literally dripping.
Yeah, like it's literally like I have a picture of the drip.
Oh my god.
That's probably the most inappropriate.
Okay, Miss Meow Meow.
What is the longest you've gone in a relationship without sex?
Oh, come on. Is this like a relationship, or like it's complicated relationship?
Yeah, that
counts.
Yeah.
I guess like. Like 3 weeks.
3 weeks is the longest?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. That's not long at all.
Really?
Maybe. I don't know, maybe it depends. I don't know. It doesn't seem long.
How many testicle sacks have you touched in your life? A A love tap over the jeans.
Okay.
I don't, it's asking about a sag, but like.
How many tattoos have you touched in your life?
Maybe a grab under the jeans.
That's crazy. I have no idea, so I'm gonna just take a shot. I'm gonna just take a shot.
That's a lie.
No, it's not a lie. I just don't like. What the fuck does that really mean? Oh my goodness. Okay, I guess I'll start off with the first shot.
Go ahead, champ.
Alright. Oh, fuck. Okay.
That made me get chills. That's crazy. I felt it for you.
Oh,
my body was like.
Okay.
Oh wow, that was good.
You can only look at one type of porn for the rest of your life. Who do you pick? I mean, what do you pick?
Oh my gosh, this is like. Okay, so like this is weird, but like.
Why is it weird?
I feel like I'm gonna take a shot because I feel like dirty after anyway. But I'll say it. So like I don't know why, like for me, even if like a guy was to send me a video, like I really like when they like, you know, like finish.
Okay.
So I feel like for me, like I would probably like watch like
cum videos. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I guess so.
That's the genre?
Like yeah. Damn, I feel like
that's for the rest of your life. That's all you.
Yeah, or no.
Oh,
well,
you really like those videos.
Well, I don't like them that much, but like I don't have a choice.
Okay.
Like I want to say BBD, but that scares me sometimes. So like, I don't know. One genre forever sounds torturous.
It
like,
does.
I don't even really like porn like that, but
yeah.
You know what? Okay, you know what my genre would be?
What?
I would choose like the bus videos because like they have storylines, you know, where it's like come on the fuck bus.
No, I've never heard of that.
It's a new thing. I'm gonna take a shot.
Okay, it's new. Not you know the new shit.
Yo, nah, because after what you sent me on Twitter, like I know you get shit on your Twitter, so I don't want to hear nothing. Cause that's how I see mine. So.
No, Twitter is like all over crazy. It's a crazy. It's a crazy like social media.
How often does your underwear have visible bits of poop on it? At the end of the day, express your answer as a percentage.
Express it like a what?
Percentage.
Oh, okay, 0%. I feel like that's more of a guy. I don't know, like, cause I be hearing about guys like having
that is pretty gross.
Like that in their underwear. As a woman, I don't think.
I mean, like I feel like
that, I don't think that's supposed. That doesn't happen. Is that? Do bitches be going through that? I don't think. Okay.
I mean,
speak for myself.
Yeah, I feel like
0%.
if you've like ever had to deal with like really bad, like toilet paper. You've had a situation and you're wearing a thong and it's like, you know.
And for people that do.
He said.
I just had it like that. And for people that do anal.
Oh.
The girls. Why you look so disgusted or concerned?
Because it's like.
No, I think because it changes that. And I don't think they're able to like, I don't think it's the same.
What do you mean? What's not the same?
like I think it's harder to like hold your shit. Is it hard? Because yeah, I think it can like come out easier because it's like.
But like, if a look.
Have you done anal?
Hell no.
Oh, okay. Which sexual act or position bores you the most?
Bores me the most? Probably like, damn.
Is there a lot?
No, I don't think one bores me.
Okay.
I'm trying to think of like what could be boring. Like I feel like people would expect you to say missionary, but like a good missionary hits. Like I it can really hit.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I don't think there is one.
You don't have one?
No.
You have to take a shot for me to
Okay, I'll take it then. Hey, here we go. This is a great one. Will you show us the last text you sent or received? How recent was it?
Okay. I don't. Where's my phone? I don't have it. So
I guess you should take a shot.
Fine. I feel tricked into this. Like,
I mean, unless you want to find it. This bottle heavy as hell.
Damn.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh, that was good. That
Okay.
was really good.
Here we go. Take
What
a
the
shot.
fuck?
Oh, you gonna take it? Okay. So this one says, big news. The world is definitely going to end in your lifetime. Does this affect your views on monogamy?
No.
No, it doesn't.
No.
So what are your views on monogamy? Like you would still
Like
you still believe in it?
I'm so pro monogamy.
Yeah. What are the most elaborate lengths you've gone to get drugs?
I've never like had to do much, honestly.
Get drugs?
No, it's like they're always there. I would say the crazy.
So you just like be hanging out with druggies?
Yeah.
Shut up.
Nah,
Oh, my battery's about to die too.
Ooh. Damn. Nah, drugs can be a good time. I'm not gonna hold you.
Yes, yes, I'm going to the show. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. Let's see this. Look at this. When I opened it, it just smelled so good. I'm like, I want to eat this. It does. Right now. I'm like, it's almost teasing me by just sitting here.
Te lo quieres sofrío? Smoke relax, smoke after you. Relax, bro.
Yeah.
You just smoke.
Can you see? Video.
How?
Oh.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. But what do you want?
I don't know.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you're doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
It's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you know what you want. At this time, don't know what I want. You know what you want. Who you want?
Crib by the beach like Ordell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Chateau, my mom got the Louis off the shelf. Now my bitch is needed to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
This time, don't know what I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
Hi you guys, so I am back home after a long day of travels, but I'm so glad me and my friends made it back home safe. I haven't talked to you guys since yesterday really, like me and my homegirl got into some things, okay? We went to the hookah lounge. We went to a couple different places. We went to the casino, and then we went to the strip club, and I wanted to record all of that, but I was just so in a moment, and it was a lot going on, a whole lot of ass, and it was real. Not that it's anything wrong with the ones that's not real, but y'all know the ones that's real kind of be moving differently, and I fuck with that. Oh no, my battery finna die. But yeah, y'all, we didn't get home till like 6 o'clock in the morning, and we had to be up by like 8:30 so we could pack and get ready to go to the airport to make it to our flight on time. So yeah, that's kind of why y'all haven't seen me since yesterday. But yeah, y'all, I have had such an amazing time. Like, I am so grateful that my friends were able to join me. Like, it was such a good time, and I am just so grateful. Just so grateful, y'all. Like, definitely made some amazing memories. And I'm excited for the next trip. Y'all know, anybody that know me know I like to travel, okay? Flew out, period. I'm with it, if you with it. When I was at the airport, I ended up getting a few little goodies, some souvenirs for my mom, my brother, and my sister, and my homegirl. We got some like matching shot glasses for DR. So this one's mine. It's so cute. It has a little palm tree on it, and this part right here is sand. So it says Republic Dominican. It's like the abbreviation of the Dominican Republic. And yeah, it's so cute. I think this is adorable. The sand from the beach. And then she got the yellow one. So we got like the same ones but different colors. I'm really running off of like 2.5 hours of sleep for real. I don't want to go to sleep too early, because then I'm gonna wake up really early in the morning, and I don't want that to happen either. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.